Hello friends, welcome back. So today we are going to see how to install free third-party SSL certificates for 6 months on AWS EC2 instance Linux server. So yeah, let's see. Before that, in last session we have seen how to get 1 year free domain and point to AWS EC2 instance using the Route 53. So if you miss this session, then you can watch out this, and I will add link of this video in description. Okay, so in this session we have created one free domain and we point that to our AWS EC2 instance using Route 53. And after that, now we are going to get the free third-party SSL for 6 months, and we'll map that with our newly created domain with AWS EC2 instance. So let's see. So this is just to inform you, like, this is for the 6 month SSL free, and after that we can renew that or we can create new one. So we need to go to sslforfree.com website, by which we can download the third-party SSL. So let's go there. This is my website which I configured. This is my website name, webtechnology.funda.ml. So for this website I am going to apply that here. So go to this website sslforfree.com, and we need to add here our domain name. So I did that, then click on create free SSL certificate, then click on manual verification, then click on manual verification domain. We will get two download links here. So download this file, and we need to create a well-known folder inside our root project folder, and inside that we need to create one more folder which is known as a SEME challenge folder, and inside that we need to upload these two files. So let's see. I have already created that folder inside my root folder, and I have uploaded that both file here to verify the domain. So once you upload, then you can click on these links to verify your domain. So you will get a response like this. That means you are verified. Then you can click on download SSL certificate, from which you can download the respective files of SSL. Click here. It will generate all the required files. So you can see we have generated this now, and by clicking on download all SSL certificate file, we can get all the required files. So I have downloaded it already and pasted in my folder here. So let's see what's next. So we have done this procedure now. We have verified our domain, and then we downloaded this and download all the required SSL files for 6 months. Now we need to paste all these files into a root folder, project root folder. So go to my root folder. This is my root folder of project, and I have uploaded these 3 files of SSL here. After that, we need to run few commands to move in this file into respective location, related locations. So these are the 3 commands which will copy these 3 files into etc/http/con. In this folder we need to move these files. The third one is the optional files, like ca_bundle.crt. So we can skip that, but yeah, I will recommend to use this file. So let's run this command. Let me go to first root path. Okay, let me list my files. Okay, we have all files here, and now we can copy that command to move this file into respective locations. Okay, so we move it. This one also done. Okay, all three files now we have moved into etc/httpd/conf folder, and we can verify that by going there at cd. Okay, now we have all these three files here. Now let's confirm if SSL already installed or not on our server, so we can use this command. Okay, let's close this. So it is already installed on my system, like you can see here ssl.com file. So if in your system it is not already installed, then you can use these commands to install the SSL module first. Sudo yum install mode underscore SSL, and then we need to edit this ssl.conf file. So now let's edit this file. Using this command, copy this command, let's enter. Okay, this is our ssl.conf file. Here we need to do some settings and change the configuration things. Okay, so let's search for SSL certification file keywords. Okay, so we have searched for this keyword. So in your system you can see this file there, this file path there. So you have to comment this file by adding hash here. Similarly, you can comment this file SSL certificate key file on default setting, and same for SSL certificate gen file. So you have to comment this file first, then we need to add these three entries here. The same entries we need to add here, but we need to change our path of files. So SSL certificate file, SSL certificate key file, and SSL certificate gen file, and we need to provide the file path of that particular file. So in first file we need to set certificate.crt. For SSL certificate key file we need to set private.key file, and for SSL certificate gen file we need to set our CA file. Okay, so let me change it. add a cf bundle.cid file now. Please make sure this part should be correct, as we have moved this file from root to this particular path. So just make sure that. Now save this file. Okay, so we have made the configuration in SSL.conf file. Now we can confirm this setting if there are any setting in this configuration file or any syntax error in this file. So we can use this command apache secret-t. So let's copy this command if there is any syntax error. So syntax is okay, you can see here. Now we need to restart our Apache server by using this command. So let's copy this command. Okay, server has been started now. So yeah, that's it from me. And now we have configured the SSL on our domain. So let's see if it is working or not. Okay, we try. Okay, so I have executed my domain with the HTTPS protocol. So let's execute it. And yes, this is the, let's see the message. So connection is secure now, and we have applied SSL on our domain successfully. So that's it, guys, and that's it, guys. And if you have any question, just give your question in comment box, and please subscribe my channels to get the latest notification on going, and click on bell icon. Okay, thank you.